How to transfer from Facebook personal page to Meta Business Suite. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with a video. For this, make sure that you are currently logged in as a Facebook page. So right here, in the left hand side, you could see some of these options. Locate the option of Meta Business Suite and tap on Meta Business Suite. With a single click, you'll be able to log in or transfer your Facebook page into Meta Business Suite. From here, you can create your reel, stories, post, and even go live. You can schedule your posts, stories, and even reels. And not just that, you can even check for your page productivity by tapping on Insight. In this section, it will let you know about your profile visit, content interaction, link clicks, and followers interaction. So from this Meta Business Suite, you can not just upload your content but even monitor your content activity and productivity. If you want to switch back to your Facebook personal page, it is very simple. Tap on your profile picture of Meta Business Suite. With a single click, you'll be able to transfer from your Meta Business Suite to back to your Facebook personal page. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.